This adapter is awesome. It allows you to charge Traxxas batteries on non-Traxxas chargers. So why did I just cut it in half? Well, it's because I don't have an adapter to allow me to use it on something like the Gens Ace. It only works on this charger. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put EC5 on both halves of it. That way I can still put it back together and use it on the B6, but I can also use it with an adapter on the Gens Ace. But why would you want to do that, you ask? Because the Gens Ace charger will fix cells that are as low as 1.5 volts and check the voltage by simply just plugging in the balance port. And that is much lower than most chargers. Normal chargers will just air out and stop the process, leaving you stuck. But I also want to be able to plug it into something like this IMAX B6 in case I ever need it in a pinch, or to do the nickel metal hydrate trick. So that's what this is going to be all about. Go ahead and speed through this. I'm not the best solderer in the world, but I've done a few odds and ends. After we get it done and we inspect it, we're going to test it out on the B6, check the cells, make sure it can start a charge. I feel I could do a better job if I had 3-to-1 shrink wrap and maybe some clips to hold everything, but it still went by pretty quickly and pretty fun. So here's our adapter, here's our battery. We'll go ahead and plug this in. Let's see, whoops, I think I got it backwards. Oh wait, I can't see. There we go. Get that plugged in. If not, I'll just blow up the house, no big deal. No, I'm just kidding. Anyway, plug the red into red, black into black. And first we gotta get the balance lead in there. So I believe the 4S is right here. This also charged 5-cell batteries, which I've never seen before, at least not balanced ones. Alright, so we'll go ahead and enter here. So it's got all 4. That's good. It's reading. Let's see. I don't think it really matters. And here we go. This would be the slowest charge of all time. But for testing purposes, it definitely serves our purpose. Alright, so that's a good sign. I mean, obviously we know it's going to work on the IMARS. Anyway, thanks for watching. Hope you found it entertaining and informative. We have more videos coming out all the time. We like to post the shorts, but I want to start posting more full-length videos and, you know, things like that. More information and more bashing and more seeing. Remember, if you like RC, then you're family. So subscribe and join our family. Till next time, be blessed.